Hi, my name is Ashley, and this is today's Ash 101. Earlier, I reviewed a personal body alarm, and I spoke about how I teach clients to pull the pin and throw the alarm as far away from them as they possibly can. Now, people wonder why I would say that. Here's why I say that. First of all, always try to avoid putting yourself in unnecessary risk. If you have a gut feeling that says, uh-oh, maybe this could be trouble, then I want you to pause and find a different way to accomplish what you want to accomplish. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to forge through on your original plan or worry about what somebody else is going to think if you became concerned about your safety. Because at the end of the day, it's you that is responsible for getting yourself home in the same way in which you left. So let's talk about this. So the reason why, after you're pulling this, right, off this pin, and this is why I want body alarms to have a pin that completely detaches from the actual device so you can toss it. The reason for that is because if there is an attacker who is wanting to approach you and you have this and it's loud and it's flashing and there's a little bit of new chaos going on, there's a few things that are going to happen. Number one, your attacker is not expecting that. You're going to cause them just a nanosecond of pause, which allows you to have the upper hand to figure out your plan of escape or your plan of protection. And I can help you with that. So, while you've got this deer in headlights look placed onto the attacker, they're going to do one of three things after they realize what's going on. Number one, they're going to either run over to it, which is why you want to throw it as far away as you can. They're going to run over to it, try to shut it up. Or, hopefully, they're going to just run and not try to do anything else about it because they weren't expecting that and they don't typically want to work hard. Unfortunately, there's still that third option, which could involve they will still attack you, but perhaps that attack will be lesser, shortened, somehow affected, and shortened. So, this is not to be relied on solely. Rely on your gut. Rely on layers of self-defense protection. But throw it. If you get a personal body alarm, practice with it. Take that battery out. Practice with that pin. Practice pulling it. You're not going to wear it out, but practice so that you've got that. Because when you've got that adrenaline in your system, you're not going to have those fine motor skills to do all those handy dandy little things that you've got to do to turn on other body alarms, okay? So even though this one's a little clunky, it's kind of handy for that purpose. But if you have any questions, you can find me on askashley.life. Stay curious, stay kind. Until later.